Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cash with Cash Chronicles. If you're a returning watcher, hey, how you doing? Thanks for watching my video. And if you're new, go ahead and subscribe because you're gonna regret it if you don't. So y'all see my hair? It looks cute, but it's time to go. I've had it for a little minute. I've had this hairstyle for about 5 to 6 weeks. I would say I'm gonna put the accurate amount of time I've had it somewhere on the screen once I go and calculate that. But I've had my hair in for a long time and is well overdue to come out. I really like this hairstyle. It's super cute. I did it on myself. If you guys are interested in how I achieve this look and achieving it for yourself, click the link right there. But while I've had my hair in, I've been using this growth oil to see, like, just to keep my hair moisturized as well as see if it actually works. I felt like it would be easiest to see if it worked with a protective hairstyle where I'm not manipulating my hair and I can actually see my new growth. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing or kind of just saying my opinion on HoneyCurlz growth serum. This is not a sponsored video. I bought this with my own money. So basically, HoneyCurlz, I believe it is a Black owned business. That is kind of the reason why I supported it, and I've heard a lot of good things about them, so I said, why not? Let me try it out. I have the shampoo, but I'm gonna hold my comments on shampoo because I didn't get the conditioner. So I feel like that I'm just holding my comments because and just review the HoneyCurlz growth serum. So basically it comes in a 4-ounce bottle like this, and I've used about up to here. So we're gonna start with smell. I feel like every growth oil kind of doesn't smell pleasant to the nostrils. It's not a flowery fragrance, that's for sure. It definitely smells herbal. It smells like your typical growth oil. It doesn't smell that great, but it's pretty cool because you can see like there's little flakes and stuff, and a lot of the bottle, like it has like flakes towards the bottle, like even up here that's flakes just stuck up there. The smell kind of just smells like your typical growth oil, not too pleasant, but it's not that strong. I wouldn't say it's something that you smell like when it's on your hair, but you definitely smell it if you sniff the bottle. I use this the duration I've had my hair in, so about 5 to 6 weeks. I would say it grew my hair, but I don't want to make an absolute statement like that because I'm sure my hair would have grown already with this hairstyle. As you can see, like right here, the new growth in the front of my hair is really like a lot. We're gonna get further into how much my hair grew and stuff like that a little bit later, but from the first look you can tell like my hair is growing, and it grew pretty fast to only have had this hairstyle in for a month. I like it. I like it how it has an applicator tip. I liked it overall. It grew my hair, and I think I would buy again maybe, but a couple things that I feel like they should maybe incorporate in the next bottle, like improve on, is definitely the size of the hole for the applicator. I had to cut it to cut it open, like cut, well, I can't talk. I had to cut it so more oil could come out, because what the problem is that it's just like a lot of like leaves and stuff, and it kind of gets caught in the hole while you're trying to put it on your scalp, and that was just the only annoying part about it. But once I cut the hole bigger at the top, it was better. But that's one thing I don't really like. And then also I'm pretty much done with the bottle, and I have this much left. Like most of this is just really like leaves and stuff like that. So I don't know, I would like to see like more oil, better oil to leaf ratio, something that would be better for like applying, because you can see like as soon as you like tip it over, it's just like a bunch of leaves that come down. I don't think you could really see it, but that's my review on it. I definitely do like it. I think I would get it again, but like I said, though, that would be the only thing that would make me hesitate from buying it again, would be the application process was kind of annoying. Let's get into the new growth. Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair. Alright, so y'all better be up in my business. And I don't like people in my business. You in my business?
You in my business? Don't do that.
Don't do that. But I'm gonna let y'all in my business to show y'all my hair. So underneath these cute pictures is really a mess. So like my hair really grew. Like literally I can pinch my finger before my lock starts. I can pinch my finger before my lock starts. Like, it's just, like, it's just a lot of new growth. It's everywhere. So I would rate that hair oil like a solid 8.5. So I'll leave the company's information down below if you guys want to purchase a oil from them. All right guys, now we're gonna get into the takedown process of my hair. So y'all about to see me looking like a chicken rat when I take my hair out. So stay tuned for that. Locks removal time. Ooh, child. I can't see nothing from right here, so we gonna have to move. One moment. Ooh, first one out. Y'all see that product buildup? I cannot tell a lie. I was about to pass out. But I went in the bathroom to see better. Look, I'm really so hot. My edges sweated off. And I'm gonna take my lash off because I think I'm gonna look crazy with my natural hair and my lashes, but whatever. Alright y'all, I'm almost done. I'll be back when I'm finished. My hair is out, but I can't talk to y'all like this. Hold on. Okay guys, I finally took out all of my hair. I need to wash my hair because I got some product buildup and I just need to deep condition my hair because I have not seen my hair in months. But thanks guys so much for watching this far in the video. If you are still watching, I appreciate you. Don't forget to like, comment down below before you leave this video, and if you're not subscribed already, get to it and go ahead and subscribe, and see y'all in my next video. See y'all in my next video. Bye. This is the best lip gloss, the lip gloss from the hair store. If you know, you know. They always have new favors. I'm trying out this mint oil one.
Dirty baby, body please. Early baby, show me things.